How to create Google Form survey questionnaire. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google Form questionnaire or survey. Google Forms allow you to build surveys or questionnaire with multiple answers options, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. So first, open the Google and search for Google Forms. And while there are other ways to access it, searching for it is the easiest method. So click on the first result and open the Google Forms. And once you are in the Google Forms page, you'll see an option to start a new form. You can either create one from the scratch or use a template, but I recommend starting with a blank form for simplicity. And if you have previously created any forms, you will find them listed below under the recent forms. Now click on the blank to start a new form, and this will open a fresh form where you can begin adding your content. Now first, give your form a title. I will name mine questionnaire. You can also add a short description below it, such as for YouTube video. Now after that, let's add question. By default, Google Forms include one question field to start with. So simply click on it to edit. Let's say we want to ask about gender. We can set this up as a multiple choice question with two options. Option 1 male and option 2 female. You can also add an other option for additional flexibility. Below the question, you will see an option to mark it as required, ensuring that the respondents must answer before submitting the form. Now next, let's add another question by clicking on the plus icon. Suppose we want to collect email addresses. So select short answer as a response type and label it and enter your email. You can continue adding more questions in different formats such as multiple choice, check boxes, drop down menus, short and long paragraph responses. For open-ended answers like explain your process in details. And sometimes Google Forms automatically include an email collection field that cannot be moved or deleted. If this happens, simply go to the settings and from there simply scroll down and tap on Forms Defaults. And from there you can see the option to collect email addresses by default. Set it to do not collect or response input. And now to personalize your form, you can click on Customize Theme in the top right corner, and here you can change the text style, upload a header image and adjust the background and theme color. And once your form is ready, go to the Responses tab to view collected answers. And to share your form, simply click on Publish in the top right corner and you can email the form directly or generate a shareable link. You can shorten it for a easier sharing. And when someone clicks the link, they will be directed to your questionnaire. And if their browser is set to another language, the form may automatically translate to match their settings. And that's it. That's how you can create a Google Form questionnaire or survey. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.